Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. So Microsoft Excel is a very best tool in the market for the Excel projects. You can use in your business for your personal programs. You can make your monthly budget, your planning, and many other things. So first, you have to open your Excel and you will see page like this. Then you have to select a blank workbook. Then you can see here your workbook. So here is our workstation. So from here you can select your columns and the rows. So if you can see here, it's like here. So from here you can do the calculation and many other things. If you go to here, for example, if I write here like here, let us say hi. And if I want to change here like font, just click on here and you can set here your font. For example, if I write this Arial, I will select like this and you can select here your font size here also. I will just do 16 and from here you can just place into the like here this one as your middle or the down or its center or any way that you want. You can merge the center also and you can do many other things. If you want to highlight this, such as if I want to highlight this as good, I will just look green. And for example, if you got a mark about like in a subject, let us say I will make it like a maths. I will do like maths here, and let's do second subject as English. So here I will just put like a math mark as out of 100 as 70, and your English let us put as 30. So 30 is the bad mark. So your teacher will directly click on this bad and it will mark as a bad or highlight as bad. If it's a good, we can do like green color. So from here you can see you can put a note also. Like from here you can write a note. For example, I will write a note as you have to be more active in class. Like this you have to put like a note, then you can just put like this and then you can just do like note column and it will be marked as your note. So if you go to the insert, then you can insert a table or picture, or you can do like a chart and many other things. So if you go to the chart, then you can set here your table data from where you want to start the chart. Then you have to click on OK, and then from here you can just slide it like this way, then you can do it like this way, and then your chart is been ready. So after this, if you want to insert, like if you make the chart properly and if you want to insert a like chart according to this, then you can click on this chart or recommended chart. Then you can directly like click on this here. For example, I will just put like this. So I will click on this chart and this chart has been linked with this data. So you can see like if you like if I put like here as a 1, let us say like 1 here, 1 like here I will put like random digits. So it will automatically make a chart for me. Okay, so you can see here your lines has been making. So from here you can make your chart as well and then it will be done. So if you see here, then you can take here your screenshots. If you want to like make here your line, I see your line chart like this. If you want to make it, then you can make it. And if you want to make like more other things, then you can do also. Like you can directly do word art. For example, if I do like this word art, I'll just press it here, and from here I will select like here. So word art, let's put it like word art like hi, like this type of word art, and many other things we can do. If you go to insert, and from here you can insert the symbol, or if you want to do like equation, then you can put it here. Like you can just do like this here. For this you can see the equation, I can put it here equations and do many other things. If you go to the page layout, you can see like margins. I can do like margin, wide, narrow, or normal. So I will set like a normal. So if you can see like background, you can like set the background also. Let's see, I have like from here. So let's see here, I will like put this background. So from here you can see they will insert the background like this. You can see this photo as here, so it will load. So if you see here, you can delete the background also, and from here you can see there are many options too. If you go to formulas, from here you can do many formulas also. For example, if I want to do here like this formula, so I will just like this, and let us do like here formula auto sum. From here you have to select like this, click on this here sum, then from here we can enter and we can see the sum of this is here 100. If you want to do other calculation such as here, let us do like the average. So I will just like select here like this, and then you have to select this here and select as average and press enter, and here you can see the average. If you want like here logical, if you want here text, date and time, and then many other options here. If you go to the data, then you can like here enter the data. You can access, from access you can import the data from browser, from the text file, and many other things. If you want to remove the duplicates, you can remove the duplicates and do many other things. If you go to view section, from here you can like zoom the page or zoom out by this way. Like here you can see the zoom, let us do 200%. From here you can set. So by this way you can do it. And if you see here, I have arranged all also. From here I can arrange my all titles. If you want to freeze the panel, from here you can just freeze it this way. If you see here on data, then you can have new queries, new database, new arrows. From here you can see the combined like queries. You can have data source settings and many other things. If you see here, go to formulas, you can see here showing the formulas. You can see all the formulas that I have used. So from here I have used like average. I will just click here enter again, and it will show me the average. So by this way you can directly like see like this way. And if you see here, all the things has been done and used. And this is how to use the Microsoft MS Excel software. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for your watching.